I have the pleasure to introduce velocity to you. So velocity, the name is the concept, velocity speed. As the product is very new, we won also a Product of the Year prize from the System Contractor News magazine 2017. So that honors all already. But yeah, one thing is winning a prize. The other thing is what are the key features of the control system. For sure, main feature is to control something. But talking about the users, for them, most important fact is that it's easy to use. Yeah. For the integrator, it needs to be agile, so fast enough to deploy, to configure. Talking about money, scalability. If you see traditional systems, you're limited on the number of inputs and output ports. Redundancy. It's a network-based system. So if you have more or less just one single point of failure, if that fails, the complete network is down, the controller is down. By the way, you have the same in the classical environment as well if the control processor dies, but we have this covered, so we have integrated redundancy in the system. Central management, it's getting more and more important. Nowadays, we have one or two guys that oversee the complete facility management, technical facility management, AV control, maybe IT does the same. So they need to have a chance of a central management of all the equipment. Secure communications. That's also an important point. You don't want somebody to interfere with the room control while you're holding a presentation. Budget friendly, that has directly to do with the scalability. Then analytics, so by using this IP-based system, which is more or less kind of a computer, you can create analytics. That's important for larger companies who want to know how are their meeting rooms used, which numbers of inputs, how often they are used, what is the user's preferred settings, and so on, monitoring alerts. That's very important. And last but not least, BYOD. You know, a lot of classical systems, you are limited to buy touchscreens from them, and these touchscreens will only work with this specific control device. And also the other way around, maybe you have to buy additional software apps for your mobile phone, for your tablet, to run with it. We have the option to bring in your own control interfaces.